reasons why things went the way they did and why we can't accept it. We'd fall asleep, but not before we exercise the evil thing that everyone hides. We would lie there in my bed. Do you remember all those nights we never slept? No clothes, sweaty, doing all the things I never thought I'd do.
Today is January 23rd, 2026.
We've been together for, I did it, put it in my calculator, 6,205 days.
Wow. We've been together for 17 years today.
That's half my life.
We're going to have a little day and night and rest of our life.
And hey, don't feel bad. No one can ever take away the boardwalk trips or the subways. I think we grew up past the hang-ups and the evil stares. But fuck you twos and I don't care. We would lie there in my bed. Do you remember all those nights we never slept? No clothes, sweaty, doing all the things I never thought I'd do. And I did them with you.
So what'd you get? This is our fits for the night.
Hey, I guess I'll figure it out. The reasons why things went the way they did and why we can't accept it. And we'd fall asleep, but not before we exercise the evil thing that everyone hides. We would lie there in my bed. Do you remember all those nights we never slept? And even though we brought it crashing to an end, I loved it all. And now I love my friend. I loved it all. I love the girl. I love my friend.
Oh my.
Another successful Cheesecake Factory dinner. So this is pretty crazy. I'm up here in Williamsburg, Virginia, and this isn't really snow. Everything, I guess they got snow, but everything has turned to ice. I don't think I can step on that. The day of reckoning is upon us.
These flowers have been fun.
So today is, we are expecting blizzard conditions. I'm not even joking. This isn't a funny thing. We're talking potentially anywhere from 6 to 8 inches of snow. Or a light dusting of snow if the dry pocket moves down. And up to 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts. We're going to try to deal with these crazy snow preppers. We're just trying to get some groceries. We don't have chicken. here in the bunker and got a bunch of firewood, got a bunch of beer, got a bunch of groceries, got some kerosene.
Feeling alone. You're always feeling alone. You're always just a few miles down as the streets count backwards. I realize it's true. Everything reminds me a few miles down as the streets count backwards. I realize it's true. Everything reminds me.
What are you like pounding that shit for like that? That's crazy. This is what you look like.
Okay, when I watch the footage back, I'm gonna see the difference between what I did and what you said I did.
Stuffing was everywhere. There really is stuffing everywhere now.
I lost it all in a beach community where it was lost. It's not all that clear to me. Over the sidewalk into a slow talk, call the police. Told me I'm in the wrong town. Wait for your cue, cause my scene it ain't over. I torch up your house while your kids are at home. What can you do when you're not getting sober? It's hard to admit, but you're always feeling alone. You're always feeling alone. You're always just a few miles down as the streets count backwards. I realize it's true. Everything reminds me a few miles down as the streets count backwards. I realize it's true. Everything reminds me of you. Everything reminds me of you. Everything reminds me.
Alright, how much snow did we get?
A good amount. It's pretty nice.
Blood red interior, a shiny black shell. The rest are inferior. She's faster than hell. I've been meaning to say something. Oh, it's nothing. I'm no longer sleeping. And I'm okay. I'm feeling great. Save for these cuts that won't stop seeping. I'm bleeding out. I'm shutting down. I'm losing all control in a death row, blacking out. I'm bleeding out. Let dry exterior, white as a ghost. We have a parasite here. It's in
So I guessed like 6 to 8, I think. And we got 2.
been lying to me all along, dear. Now we're screaming and we're crying and we're skipping up the atmosphere here. I'm bleeding out. I'm shutting down. I'm losing all control in a death row, blacking out. I'm bleeding out.
voices are sinking, the cat lady's singing, and the band's freaking out. I'm bleeding